Ooh, y'all. Ooh, y'all. The juice is loose for real.
December of 2022. Gloria Smith Grimes was his attorney. So they was asking for Amoria. They was asking for child support. They was asking for attorney fees. Period. Okay? That's what he asked for. All right. We put it on the floor today. We are putting it on the floor today. Now that is the petition for divorce. Okay? Let's continue.
Because I know it's going to be talked all the motherfucking about it. Because, like, hey, I got, like, a couple more screenshots to go. Like, quit playing with me with recordings. Like, I mean, and there's some juicier more shit to come. You play with it if you goddamn want to, but hey, it's talking about the back in the day and all. You bitches better quit playing with me. On God, sis, you said it right. On God. When I tell you the spill is spilling, you don't.
Moving right along. Moving right along. The next one is parenting seminar, which is the same filing date of December the 20th of 2022. Parenting seminar.
And siblings, yeah, I got them went against the grain and shaded on my family, but I'm bike. Like I'm bike. I'm better than motherfucking ever. A motherfucker can't touch me if hey, the only way they could take me out, well, they can't even take me out. That's only God's choice. So yeah, but yeah, everybody want to match energy and drop recordings and flying monkeys and this and that. Oh, okay. Did somebody say 277 in likes? Nah, I'm gonna need that shit to match.
Now I'm gonna try to overlook you so I continue, okay? But he said, I'm glad you're doing this live because now all these dummies finally know I am the one who wanted a divorce, not her. No, I think everybody knows that you filed, but that doesn't mean that you wanted it. But okay, I'm not gonna answer no more the truth. Y'all don't have to kick him out. Don't kick him out. We ain't gonna be rude. This is his divorce papers, okay? Maybe he forgot what he asked for. Okay. So listen, that was just a little distraction, you guys. But let me continue on. I'm not gonna be disrespectful to him. Okay. So let's continue on. But don't kick him out. Don't kick him out. Don't kick him out. Now you see all these judges' names that was put into place. And Robert and Briana, if you see up here, their names are in it, and it said right here, filed in the office of the Superior Court of Gwinnett County, Georgia, okay, on December 20th of 2022 at 11:22 a.m. Okay, so I'm assuming that this is some type of preliminary document, okay, which is really nothing. Which is really nothing. Okay, so now we're getting out of there, right? Let's go out, close this tab, boom. Now, we're going to the next one. Did y'all even see it? Because now that I'm looking at it, here's the next one. We have a mutual restraining order again was filed December 20th of 2022. Mutual restraining order coming up. Allow. Download mutual restraining order. Hold on. I ain't got time to be doing all that. All right, hold on. All right, let me take this down, put up the mutual restraining order.
Motherfucker saying,
this mutual restraining order again
was anything she said. Because if it came out of my mouth, I could say it motherfucking twice. Don't play with me. Don't play with me at all. I'm not the 1, 2, 3, 4 out of the 5. I'll drop the link, but I ain't gonna have nobody up here long because I'm about to run this show.
It's a party again. The petitioner Robert Briana is defended. Mutual restraining order. This order binds the parties in the above style action, their agents, servants, employees, and all other person acting in concert with each party. Each party is hereby enjoined and restrained unilaterally causing or permitting the minor children of the party to be removed from the jurisdiction of this court and the state of Georgia. Each party is hereby enjoined and restrained from doing or attempting to do or threatening to do any acts that injure, maltreat, vilifies, intimidate, molest, or harass the adverse party or the children of the party. Each party is hereby enjoined and restrained from selling, encumbering, trading, contracting to sell, or otherwise disposing or removing from the jurisdiction of the court any of the properties belonging to the parties except in the original course of business. Each party is hereby enjoined and restrained from canceling or changing auto, health, or life insurance for the parties or the party children currently in place. Each party is hereby enjoined and restrained from canceling or changing auto, health, or life insurance. Oh, I think I just said that. Each party is hereby enjoined or restrained from disconnecting or having disconnected their home utilities, including but not limited to electricity bill, gas, water, and telephone bill. Further, each party shall not interfere with the other party's mail or the children's mail. This order shall apply to all divorce cases filed in this court and shall be standing order until further order of action by the judge of this court. The terms of this condition hereof may be modified or amended by subsequent order or any judge of this court or any judge sitting in the court in individual case. And this was put into place again, I guess this whole form October the 28th of 2021, but it was entered December the 20th of 2022. But let's take note to this one right here. This was filed December the 20th of 2022. This is them entering a mutual restraining order, which is a part of a divorce decree package, apparently, in Gwinnett County. But let's pay attention to number 2. It says each party is hereby enjoined and restrained from doing or attempting to do or threatening to do any act that injures, maltreat, vilifies, intimidate, molest, or harass the adverse party or the children of the party, which means they both broke the mutual restraining order, okay? They both broke the mutual restraining order because they were both basically harassing each other online. We
had to drop this video tonight, but we know your girl gonna drop another video in the morning.
Your sister something special, honey. I'm glad you don't be involving yourself with that.
Yeah, during the time, Joe did tell me that Robert wanted to talk to me, but I'm just so used to them recording everything that I didn't feel comfortable talking because I ain't got time for nobody to be recording nothing that I say. You know what I'm saying? Like, for free anyway, you feel me? But yeah, like, so that's the only reason I didn't talk to him. It wasn't because I believe her. It wasn't that, because I know what she had told me about him before the vow renewal. So, no, it had nothing to do with that. Just, I didn't know if he was going to record me or not. So that's the only reason that I didn't say anything to him.
He be granted a total divorce from the defendant, meaning he just want to be done, right? Whatever. And D, he received an equitable division of the marital property. So right here, the truth was asking for whatever they had together to be split. She get the washer, he want to dry. She get the iron, he want the ironing board. Okay? She get the toothbrush, he get the toothpaste. Okay? He wanted everything in that house to be divided equally. Okay? Because they
I always had to keep Momo, sad but true, but I don't know. I wouldn't be with no nigga that ain't worth it. Janelle just use her. And like I told her before, you could be by yourself. I don't get it. She worried about what the internet gonna say, but hell, they talking about her now anyway, regardless. So, but then she always put out information and take it down.
We got Dawn over here. We got Amoria over there. Oh my God, the streets is on fire.
He be awarded temporary and permanent legal custody of the children. Lord Jesus, please don't let me hit the floor. Robert didn't go in there and ask for no permanent legal custody, did he? Lord, Father God. Robert asked for full custody. Robert asked for temporary and permanent legal custody of Amoria. He tried. And he also wanted child support to be based on current guidelines. So not only did he want custody of Amoria, he wanted child support. He wanted Briana to pay him his coins. He said, if I got a feeder, I need you to slide me a couple of coins, okay? So he asked for, again, he be awarded temporary and permanent legal custody of the child, and child support be based on the current guidelines. Even though he came out to social media and said he don't believe in child support, but we gonna act like we don't see that. Oh, gee, he also wanted needs to be paid right here.
So stop the hook, and I don't know if she really pregnant now. I really don't care, but I just think it's messed up.
Now none of them bills, okay? Because that's what he said when he says they have no marital debt that he is willing to share, is what he said on number 11, okay? That's what he said. Now, pursuant to OCGA, plaintiff is entitled to a total divorce from the defendants on the grounds that the marriage is irrecoverable broken, and that there is no hope at all of reconciliation. Plaintiff reserved the right to add other grounds as necessary. Wherefore, plaintiff respectfully asks that summons and process issues as required by law. A rule nisi issue requires defendant to show cause upon a date certain.
Briana's sister said Jonell looks like a lizard.
He pretty much was, taking care of the kids, and two, she'll leave them there by themselves as well. So, I mean, he really just there, and I guess to clean up, because he would clean up like I would. And then, of course, he would cook them breakfast and stuff like that. Or, he'll go to Walmart and they go with him per se. But pretty much kind of the kids do kind of really be on their own. Hell, if he ain't there, they
I don't have time, CJ.
There, and so, yeah, but
just
I don't know.
CASHAPP
I just feel like your daddy need to quit calling her. And hell, y'all his kids too, regardless of y'all age.
And thing about that is like, I'm still thinking about my daddy. How's my daddy how's my daddy going to feel? And then it's also the fact of I have a daughter that I care about her feelings. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. That's the only thing that's keeping me from doing it, because I don't.
Lasonda, wait a minute. You said I had to pause for the calls. You said, what the lights looking like? It's 4:14 in here. I just had
division. So they basically saying they got some shit that they need to divide, but it ain't no house. Okay. All right, here we go. Plaintiff and defendant. Plaintiff asked for an equitable share of all marital property. But I thought you didn't have no marital property. Oh, personal property, maybe, huh? Wait, hold on. So the plaintiff asked for an equitable share of all marital property. I'm assuming he mean like the cars or the dishes, the motherfucking washing machine, and the dryer, okay? Because they ain't had no house, all right? All right, carrying on. Plaintiff shows that
Mara went and got the documents. She said she wanted proof of this shit.
You gotta be kidding me. Okay, so already off the bat, he asked for standard visitation, which is a weekend day. And the only reason I'm pointing that, well, you know what? Carry on, Amoria, carry on. Okay, standard visitation, basically, y'all already know what it is. Let's just keep going. Plaintiff shows that the parties have no marital residence, which is subject to, and I can't say that word. Equitable division. Okay, I'm sorry, y'all got stuck. Equitable division, which means they ain't got no damn house together, okay? But listen, I'm gonna make this fun because I cannot make this boring, all right? I gotta make it fun. That's the only way I'm gonna be able to do it. That's just how I am, all right? So they didn't have no houses together. They made all this damn money on social media and didn't buy a damn house, period. Okay, that's what that means. Now, carry on. Plaintiff and
to be doing, but I can only do my part. I said I would always say that I would get get some land. I will get them a single trailer or whatever the case is. And baby, the rest is on you.
Divorce, you see it right here. That's the very next one, 3 pages. Opening up now. It downloaded. Yes. Let's open it up. Petition for divorce. All right, here we go. Let's get to the good stuff. Let's get to the good stuff. Let's get to the good stuff. Make sure y'all hit. She said everyone violates, in my opinion. Yep, everybody violated. All husband and wife violate. You're right. All husband and wife be violating that. You know they be doing the most, honey. You know they be doing the most, baby. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. All right, Robert Lee Hampton, petitioner versus Briana Hampton. Do I need to come in a little more? Or you guys see it? Petition for divorce. Come down. Here, hereby. Come down, plaintiff Robert Lee Hampton, and hereby brings this petition for divorce against Briana D. Hampton and respectfully shows to the court the following. Plaintiff, a resident, and we don't need to know the addresses. They moved into them way, right? Wherever. We're going to bypass the addresses, but we will say that the parties separated on or about October the 14th of 2022, and since that date have lived in a bona fide state of separation. So they were separated October the 14th of 2022. Plaintiff shows that there is one minor child as issue of this marriage, which is Amoria Truth Hampton, born 2019. Both parties are self-employed and capable of caring for themselves and providing support for the minor child. Okay, that was actually put in there. Number 6, I was surprised. Okay. Plaintiff.
I mean, it's 100.
And so my daughter don't fuck with it either. So, that part is like over since we went there that Thanksgiving. My daughter was doing nails and she was like, yeah, tell her to bring her nail stuff. And my daughter brings all her nail stuff on the plane and stuff. And she don't get her nails done. But then when we on the way to the plane, back to the airport, she was like, well, tell her to send Dad the kit so I can measure it and then she can do my nails. My daughter's like, no, I was just there for 4 days and she ain't tried to do it, so I'm done. And my daughter had shit to do with her since then. Didn't want to go to the wedding. She only went because I went. Yeah, I agree with you about that. Hopefully, I don't know if Walter ever see the light, though, being that he done did her like this and she about to be 33. So she went to Jamaica. So the kids didn't go with her to Jamaica. Walt, they didn't go as well, or she just went by herself? Because I know we blocked each other, so I don't see nothing she do unless somebody share it on Facebook. But yeah, I don't never see nothing she do. But I don't know. I just wish your daddy would put his foot down and quit, scolding her, because it's not good, and he gotta let her know when she wrong. Which when she was at Janelle's house trying to get in, and he wouldn't get in. Janelle called Walt, and Walt called her and was begging her to leave, and he kind of fussed at her a little bit that day, but not really nothing major, and she didn't really listen anyway. So I see what you're saying, but he just, I don't know, he gonna have to put on his big boy pants and quit cuddling her. And I mean, she going through a lot because she actually put herself in this situation. I mean, she the one brought all of this out in October 2022. So,
Seminar, the order applies to all domestic actions involving a child or children under 18 years of age where the parties are involved. So basically, order the parties successfully complete a parenting workshop. Okay, that's all it says. I'm going to show it to you because I want to be transparent. Okay, I'm going to show it to you because I want to be transparent. But basically, this is just saying that they have to attend a parenting seminar. Again, it was entered the same day of filing, which was December the 20th of 2022. Right here, Navigating Family Change Parenting Seminar. That's what they had to do. They had to agree to complete within 31 days of service of the original complaint upon the original defendant. They had to agree to complete a parenting seminar. It's only one page, you see? All right, that's enough of that one. Let's go to the next one, which is, let me close out of this one, parenting seminar. I got a mutual restraining order that's done. All right. The next one is petition for divorce. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It's getting gooder. It's getting gooder.
Where is born? You gonna quit playing with goddamn big sister. Everybody goddamn wanna say I'm the big sister. Oh, big sister is bike. Better than ever. A bitch done learned how to really run with y'all motherfuckers. At first, I was putting emotions into it. I knew you motherfuckers was telling lies, but the thing I don't like is a motherfucker lying on me, so I have to try to get that shit corrected. And that bothered me because y'all believe lies. But I'm gonna let y'all know how your girl roll. Like, hey, Briana ain't shit and ain't gonna never be motherfucking shit. And I don't give a fuck who don't like it. And if you don't, who the fuck gonna check me, goddammit? What's up, sis?
I say stop getting the tea till all your buttons are hit right.
Needed
You
to.
got almost
But yeah, I know bro had this. He said he be talking to Joe, so that's probably why Briana went on there. But Briana be saying she can't stand Robert, but to me, I really feel like she did all of this because he wanted to get the divorce and just, still deal with each other behind the scenes, and she pretty much didn't like it, so she just went with her narrative. But yeah, I can't say bro what
Joe is Briana's sister.
They do be
brother.
recording people,
Sorry,
so
brother.
you might have been good on that one. I ain't gonna lie to you. Oh, I definitely believe it. Just like too, it's times she done been disrespectful to Walt, and I didn't like that. And so I would say something, but she'd be like, "Girl," and it's times Robert had told me how she disrespect Walt, but I never seen it till I was around to witness it myself. But I don't blame you. I don't know. Your daddy should be fair. And that's what I was saying too. Like when we were in Jamaica, I just felt like, I see he have love for his kids, but I just feel like he sheltered Briana more. And I don't know if it's because of like maybe she's supposed to be popular on Facebook or what. I mean, I don't know. I don't know if it's just because she's his, baby girl, like the youngest. I mean, I really don't know, but I know it's like hurtful to y'all as well. So I know you definitely don't be wanting to hear it, and I don't blame you at all.
Let me pause for the cause because I see it's 3.
Facts are facting and the receipts are receipting. Hey y'all, it's your girl Tay with the T, and you know you're gonna get these sips from me. So let me tell you what was going on with the goings on, right? I took my kids out today, came in, minding my business, right? Minding my business, scrolling on YouTube, right? So in the process of me scrolling on YouTube, I see Dawn was live, so of course I'm gonna show love on the replay, right? So what I didn't know, which y'all probably knew, which y'all gonna know now if y'all didn't know, is that the receipts was receipting. Because see, in the process of me watching Dawn's live and hearing Briana's sister go off saying how her sister really ain't shit and ain't never going to be, and you heard that already from me, right? But anyway, right, she was saying how Jonelle looked like a lizard, he might be a lesbian, and Briana should basically be thanking Robert for him teaching her the game, right? All right, now in the process of me watching that live, right, I just so happened to pause the video so I could drink my coffee and stuff, right? And you know how the other little videos show at the bottom, right? So I look at the bottom and lo and behold, I see that Amoria is now live, and I see that Briana and Robert is her thumbnail. The same person that said they was leaving the saga, mind ya. Right. We're gonna get into that, right? So I said, hey, let me go over here and click this, and see what she got to say, right? So to my surprise, y'all, she had documents, right? She had the legal court documents. Y'all seen them in this video. Y'all seen them. Tay comes with the tea and I got the receipts, right? She came with the documents of the court case, right? So at one point in time, Robert did try to get full custody of Amoria, huh? And what was they saying in the bushes again? But anyway, right? We going to have to continue to see how these things come out and play out, because see how the truth always outbeat a lie? So is it true that all the things that the content creators have said on this side of the stage has been the truth? Yes, yes, yes. And we wasn't even there, but it was crystal clear. Anybody with common sense could see it, right? But I'm going to have to get back into this video. I just came to drop this video for y'all. In the meantime, in between time, while I get more information and more tea, this is more like coffee. This is coffee. Yes, this is definitely coffee, right? This is not tea. This is coffee. But what I want y'all to do, right, is drop down in those comments and let your girl Tay know what y'all think about these receipts, baby. How do y'all feel about what Bree said about her, Bree's sister said about her, right? And how do y'all feel about Amoria going to get the court documents to see and show us what was going on with the goings on? Okay, now this is your girl Tay with the T. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, baby. Did you hear her say Lauren been taking care of Amoria? We knew that. We knew that. We knew that. Did you see that they said that she got a pick-me child because her boy is dark skinned? Oh, the receipts is receipting. But stay tuned because your girl Tay will be back again. Oh, and we ain't gonna talk about my edges. I went to the pool today. Mind your business. Hit that like button. And your girl is out.